Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel named Control Intelligence. Today we are going to see a program which is related to a series which is known as Fibonacci series. Now this is a series in which numbers appear to be the sum of numbers, that is sum of the third number appears to be sum of first and second number, fourth number appears to be sum of second and third number. So the sum of a number is dependent, so the number is dependent on the sum of its previous two numbers. So we can assume an example like let first number be 1 or let first number be 0. Most probably will start with 0, so first number is 0, second number goes to 1. Now third number will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Fourth number would be second number plus third number, that is 1 plus 1 gives 2, so fourth number is 2. Then fifth number would be 1 plus 2 gives 3. Likewise we will move forward. Now we can do it mentally, but you don't guarantee that what we'll get mentally will be correct or not. Accuracy we can't guarantee, so we are trying to code it with the help of Python, that is PyCharm IDE. Now let's go here and create a new project, new file. We'll create Python file, name it as Fibonacci presenter. See, our file is created. Now in previous video we were using dark theme, but I thought light theme would be preferable, as we can see much clearer here. So let's start. We need to define a function, so we'll write a define keyword Fibo, the name of the function, and a parameter to pass, that is, I don't want Fibonacci series to continue and crash our program, so I'll have a breakpoint where it can stop. So we'll have a parameter called as n, okay, where we would stop. Now I'll take an input n is equal to, it would be an integer. I'll take it with the help of input function with the message enter the number till which series continues, okay, and then move forward. We have defined the function. Now we have to write the actual syntax of the function. Most probably Fibonacci number begins always with 0 and the next number is 1. Forgetting, we can actually start the Fibonacci series with the third number, right? So we'll pre-assume that a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and now we'll print a and print b for our guarantee, okay. Now for writing actual syntax, from C we have to run a loop which will continuously add the previous two numbers and give us the output, add the number, give us the output. So we'll require a loop. So for I in range, give brackets and start with we'll start with first two numbers, that is 0th index, first index is done, so we need to continue with second index till n, okay. So as the syntax says, colon comes, okay. Now we need to continue. So C, will define C as the third number. C is equal to a plus b as the order suggests. Now press enter. Then if a, b and c are printed, we need to shift the values of a. If a was first number, we have to shift a as second number. If b was second number, we have to shift b as third number. And if c was third number, we will get the output of C as second number plus third number as fourth number. Now C becomes fourth number. So now A is equal to B, then B is equal to C, and again C is equal to A plus B as we have written earlier. So we'll print C. Okay, now we'll get the Fibonacci series. Let's try to run it. Run Fibonacci. Okay, oh, I have not called it the function, so it is not giving any output, so I'll call it. Instead of writing this n here, I need to write the n previously, so that I would get my desired output, right? Okay, now let's run. So here run icon is here. Enter the number till which the series continues. I'll first write 5. Okay, we know what exactly number would be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, right? Press enter. So let's see what's the answer. Yes, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. I'm right. Now let's run it once again to get 10 numbers now. Let's check 10 and press enter. See, we have got 10 numbers, that is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's check 2 plus 3, 5, right? 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. So we are right. We are getting the perfect Fibonacci series with our desired number of inputs. Okay, this is the program for Fibonacci series. But guys, there are many complications here. If you give Fibonacci, if you give n as less than 2, that is, if I give Fibonacci 1, what it will give? It will not return, it will just give 0 and 1, but my first number is 0. So whenever we can improve this function as if n is equal to 1, print A, then else do all this stuff again. Okay, we can ask it to do all this stuff that we have printed. Just place the tab and it will be in the right indentation position. So we have tabbed it, and now we can get the proper solution for 1, 2. Let's check 1, enter. Yes, we get 0. Okay, that's all for today, guys. We have studied Fibonacci series successfully. Thank you for watching the channel, and please do like, share and subscribe the video.